Hello, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Coming back to you with another crypto informative video. So, a lot of individuals are still looking at a lot of the price action. They still want to know, okay, what's the deal with the Bitcoin ETF? Why is the price not reflecting? And there are a lot of things going on, especially with a lot of the newer investors out there, okay, that are just getting into this. So what you have to understand is that a lot of this is still new, okay, despite crypto being out for over 14 years right now, a lot of it is still new, okay. And so when you have a more of a blue collar professional asset come out like a Bitcoin ETF, all right, and you have individuals who have already been in the space a little bit longer and still want to see price action, you have to understand that there are other entities, okay? No matter how professional they are still new to this, just like you know how they're trying to connect crypto and real estate. All right. Right now, it's a work in process, okay? But at the same time, you know, a lot of real estate investors, okay, when they finally see the bridge, it's not going to be a right away price action for a lot of those projects that are associated with it, okay. And we have like a lot of other projects that are going to bridge with a lot of things like logistics, okay. So this is new right here. But the thing is, you do have a lot of individuals, a lot of investors that are considering this. There are a lot of meetings that are going on across the world about the Bitcoin ETF. All right. But what some individuals want to do, you have some that are pouring revenue into it, and then you have some big corporations, organizations, okay, that are sitting back and saying, hey, I want to do a little bit more research on this project, okay, or what's going on more so in the crypto space. All right, it sounds interesting. Now, that does not mean they're not going to get into it. I believe that we do have a lot of future investors that are going to pour more revenue back into the crypto space, back into Bitcoin. I think you're going to have a lot of individuals that are going to pour more revenue back into the ETFs. All right. But the good thing about the ETFs is that uh, it has brought more revenue into the crypto space. Okay. When you look at it, I think we have a lot more inflows than outflows. So that is saying that we're having a lot more revenue coming into the space right now. You have a lot less people selling. All right. So that is a good thing for the crypto space. Y'all know how I feel about the crypto space. I came in the crypto era. My era was 9 years ago. I came in when there were a lot of hard nosed, no nonsense, blue collar crypto investors. Okay, you had doctors, lawyers, government workers. Everybody was, into investing into the new crypto space that had came out. And y'all know what I said about the meme space. I said that when the meme space came out, okay, the meme coin era, okay, crypto kind of took a dive when it came to reputation. Okay, so now we're getting back a lot of those professional investors. Okay, a lot of those big company, okay, big organization, enterprise investors that are pouring more money back into the crypto space. That's what you want to see. And as far as the meme space go, okay, we're on a tail end with that. That is about to be done. Okay, we have regulations. We have a lot of things going on Capitol Hill when it comes to the crypto space. So a lot of things are being considered. Y'all have to know, like I said, do not pay attention to the price action. Okay, the good will come with crypto with due time. All right, you just have a lot of individuals who have their money sitting on the sideline. They have those millions, they have those billions sitting right there on the sideline, but at the same time, they want to do their research before they get in. All right, so it's going to take a little bit of a process. That's why we're not seeing this right away. And it's just like I told y'all about. It's just like when I told y'all about uh, what was that? XRP and Ripple. All right, XRP and Ripple and Bitcoin is a perfect example of how crypto works and how crypto is a lengthy process. Okay. When XRP had its success on Capitol Hill, a lot of people expected it to take off right away. You're saying that it took off, but not like a lot of individuals expected it to. Okay, we're talking about going from what 25 to 31 cents to you now got XRP sitting up there. Okay, it went as high as 71 cent. Now it's back down to like 61 cent. All right. It did not hit $1 like a lot of people thought. It did not hit $5, $10 like a lot of individuals thought. Okay, and now you're seeing the same thing with the Bitcoin ETF situation. Okay, so this is a perfect example that crypto requires patience. Okay, so if two of the biggest assets in the crypto space, which is XRP and Bitcoin, uh, cannot have a big time run, okay, when they've had big time news and big time successes, okay, if it has not had a big time run yet, what do you think that other cryptos out there will do when it have its success? Okay, it's not going to take off right away. Do you understand? It's going to take time. But the most important thing is that there's a foundation built with a lot of these assets. There's a foundation built with XRP. There's a foundation built with Bitcoin. Okay. And so this is what we all have to know. All right. We also have to understand, like I said, revenue is already flowing in. Just over a short period of time, even after the whole ETF situation launch, we've already had 1.4 billion go into the crypto space, into Bitcoin, into the ETFs. Okay, we've already had inflow billion, 1 billion already coming in, and I do expect that there's a possibility that there are more billions coming in. Do you understand? So we have the revenue coming in, y'all. You have to have patience in this crypto investing space, and then you got other events, uh, um, that are going on also, such as what is it, Flare? Okay, like Google Cloud joined like the Flare network. Okay, as the validator. Okay, so it says Google Cloud joins Flare network. Okay, as validator. All right, it says FLR jumps 5%. All right, and so you're going to get these kind of a bridge. All right, and the thing is, this is what you want. You want a lot of foundations. You want a lot of micro economic situations going on within the crypto space. Now, a lot of people want to know more about this. So the thing is, it says Flare, which calls itself the blockchain data, gives developers access to decentralized data via its Oracle system. The cloud division of tech giant Google has joined the Flare blockchain as a validator and infrastructure provider. Google Cloud is one of 100 organizations adopting this combined role, both securing the network as a validator and contributing to the Flare Time Series Oracle, or FTSO, according to an announcement shared with CoinDesk on Monday. Flare, which calls itself the blockchain data, like I said, it gives developers access to decentralized data via the Oracle system. So it says basically, in the blockchain space, Oracle refers to entities that connect to networks, to external systems, okay, thereby allowing smart contracts to be executed based on inputs and outputs from outside the world. So we look at a lot of micro economic situations in the crypto space like this. We look at a lot of things that are going on into like the blockchain in Bitcoin ETF. We look at a lot of the money that is sitting on the sidelines. We look at a lot of the future investors that are telling you, hey, okay, we are here. We just need time to do a little bit more research. We love the whole ETF thing. All right, is the space is getting a little bit more the professional. All right, y'all know how I believe that professionalism is important. Okay, because the thing is, I want back my old era too. Okay, I want that hard nosed, no nonsense investing to come back into crypto. I want the doctors, I want the lawyers, I want the government workers. Okay, I want the blue collar work. I want all of that coming back into the crypto space like it was 9 years ago, like it was 15 years ago. Okay, and so right now, like I said, this is the new transfer of wealth, y'all. This is the new transfer of wealth. You are here right now. Okay, but you have to have patience or you're going to miss out. All right, this is my video. Remember, y'all, every now will be history tomorrow. You can have patience in this crypto investing space, or you lose in the end. And the thing is, you beautiful investors out there and beautiful supporters do not want to be losers. I want all of you all to be winners. This is my video, and I will catch y'all on the up and up. Howdy.